Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add collaborators to your board on Pinterest. So to do that, I'm just going to go to my profile and I'm going to select on a board, for instance this art one, and to add a collaborator, I'm just going to press this plus button and select collaborator. And here you can invite from your Pinterest friends, and even you can share it to your friends via WhatsApp, Line, etc. And you can change these settings. Collaborators can do almost everything: add, move, or delete pins and sections, comment, why did I say comment like that, and react. And so you can adjust that. For instance, they can only save and comment, they can't delete it. For instance, you want them to be able to invite other people, you can do that. And you're just going to press done and invite people to collab on your pin, I guess. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!